Hello, I'm Scott Richardson from the Durham Cathedral property team, and my gift to you this Christmas will be unwrapping of the central tower. Well, we're in a lucky position. Obviously we're only one of the 8 cathedrals that have an on-site team. We come up, we do the drawings, we make the templates, we work the stone, and then you put it in place. That's absolutely everything. When we took this down, we took it down for a specific reason. The main reason was when it was built, or rebuilt in 1857, all of these barriers, railings, were made of iron. Okay? So what happens with iron over the years, it begins to rust and it begins to expand. So what happened, it had broken a lot of these stones, a lot of these bits, it had lifted a lot of the stones, and on the west elevation at one point we could move the whole elevation. So we had to take it down and get rid of the ironwork. So what you can see here is obviously an old original stone with a piecing in where the ironwork has been broken. The same here. The stone here has been cut off and the piece pieced in there. Obviously the idea is as much conservation as we can. The replacements were done here, this one here. Nearly 4 weeks work in that stone there for one person. There's quite a significant amount of work. I think over the whole building, I think probably 50 or 60 stones replaced in all. It was a rough estimate. What we've done with these, with the carvings, is now we made a plaster cast. So we come up, smothered it in clay, took the clay off, poured it in plaster of Paris, take the clay off, then we've got a full-size scale model of what we use to copy them. Everyone's got their own interpretation. I wouldn't expect any of them to be the same, and I wouldn't want them to be the same. So that even though that the design is all the same, the difference even between that one, I can tell now that a different person done that than that one. There's 2 different shapes of carving, and there's nearly 5.5 weeks worth of work in that stone there. To put it in, we have to take the window apart. So what we had to do was get the scaffolders to prop all these stones up here and here. Prop this one up, allow us to take this one out. This one was down for a replacement, so that's a new stone. So we had to take this one out, we had to take this one out, and then we broke this one out to slide it in. To repeat the process of putting it back in, we had a hardboard template made of this stone, exactly the same. We put the props in and measured it so we knew exactly where the stone should be. And we brought the stones from the inside out, so we had a hoist on the inside. And then what we done on the tube, we lifted the stone, put it down onto the scaffold tubes on some carpet, and then pulled it out into position. Camped out here for 33 years. So I started on it, took it all down, I rebuilt all the top, and it's so we've all played a massive part. I think the guys enjoy doing it. It's a challenge. It's, people you enjoy a bit of a challenge, and it's not every day you get to do something like this.